Juicy Pixel, what are you doing at Penarth Marina early in the morning? Well, today, I was going to film this last year, but we're doing it this year. I am going on a chartered sea fishing trip from Penarth Marina, which is going to be exceptional. Last time I did it, it was amazing, so this time hopefully it's going to be double amazing. So this is Penarth Marina right here, not to be confused with Cardiff Bay, which is over there. And then there's the barrage gates over there, 3 of them, which we'll be going through in about 30 minutes. So let's take like a little explore around here before we go. So as you can see here, there's the old customs house there, which is now a restaurant, maybe a hotel, and this is also something to do with the original custom houses there, which has been left derelict. Unfortunately, it's fallen apart. So yeah, last time I did this, I booked it for 2 people and only one went, and that was me. So this time I booked it for 1 because screw everyone else. So yeah, the company's called Charter Cruises, Escape Charters, which I'll let you know in the description of this video below if you're into sea fishing and you want to do this yourself one time. But yeah, I'm going to be focused on fishing, but what I'll do clips along the day, and if I catch anything, obviously I'll try and get it on video as well. The captain's name is Wayne, and he's a fantastic guy. So he does photographs and stuff like that when you get catches as well, so if I get a catch I'll just overlay it in the video. But yeah, there's lots of plaques here. This is for the merchant seafarers who died in World War. Oh, hang on, oh, this is quite new, but this is for the seafarers right here. And there we go, there's a lot of people jogging right now. My mate lives up here, just on the River Taff. This is actually a freshwater lagoon here as well. It costs a lot of money to build this barrage. You can actually go all the way around into Cardiff, and if you could see in the distance right there, you've got Cardiff Millennium Stadium, or Principality as some people call it now. But yeah, I won't do too much filming here. Because I don't want to blow the memory in this camera too early, or the battery, even though I do have spare batteries and a charger with me. Just trying to focus more on fishing for today. But yeah, let's head on around to the marina. I'll show you where the boat is all parked up, and then obviously I'll do a couple of videos when we head on out. We might go down almost down as far as Swansea. We'll definitely go down as far as Barry Island anyway, so it's going to be awesome to see Jackson Bay and the Nab. So yeah, let's head on around to the marina and take you along with me. So this is all private here, but imagine having your front door just looking out to there. So this is the Marina HQ here. Penarth Pier just out there.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Nice fish.
Wow.
Okay.
My first smooth hound.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Just saying, John.
I can sit down.
Just making it look big for the cameras.
You're not talking to your wife now.
Hey. My rod's getting, my wheel's getting attempted.
By the way, that's tightening now. I think it's a ring.
It could be. Yeah, it's a rig. Up at the top there. Alright, we're going a bit.
Got mark now.
Goodbye.
Get very close.
Oh, he's coming in backwards.
Right. Ah, that's what it was. Yep, you got mark.
Yeah,
The other side of mark now, quick. Drop your rod down, Mark.
Mark
Quick.
on.
Underneath him, I think.
I said we hadn't seen any wind.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Oh, John's in as well. Bloody marvellous. That's a good one, isn't he? Pass backwards, tangle
I knew it was it had to be a ray because there was weight there.
But
Absolutely.
That's it, just walk backwards.
Was it Dave Conger?
still out. Cardiff Airport, right over there, bro. Feeling really queasy. Still. Oh,
You see this?
that's the devil in your ear, though. There's like a pillbox by here as well now. Yeah, there's a little pillbox. Barbados. So we're just like stopping by Barry Marine, or the old Barry Marine. Is that the old Barry Marina? I wouldn't mind doing like the train across the Rockies, like, you know, in Canada or something lovely like that. Bravo.
That's a spotting, that is.
And if it was Chris's rod, it would be a lesser spotted.
Right, mate. Sally over there, Sally Island.
There's a bit more squid in the back of squid, yeah.
Quite opposite Cardiff.
Years ago, they used to use backwards,
kiss.
Depends where we are. If it's on
Ooh, about 45 minutes left on this. Bristol over there. It's coming to an end now. It's been a fantastic day though, fair play. Seagulls chasing. That's almost it for this trip. Just coming back into the barrage now in Cardiff Bay.
we'll travel it.
So the barrage fills up with water now until it's high enough to go into the Cardiff Bay, which is fresh water.
Oh, yeah, it's
And there we go. Back into Cardiff Bay for the barrage. And there's one of Cardiff's boat trips actually, Cardiff Bay's boat trips. But this is the barrage here, 1, 2 and 3. Military ships can't go in there. If you're on a military ship you have to go further down, but yeah. So this costs like 3 billion to do Cardiff barrage. Maybe. Costs a lot of money. And now we're in, when we come from saltwater and now we're in freshwater. Because the River Taff comes into here. And then right back to where we started this morning. And that's it. What a fantastic day that was. Just gonna chill out for a moment now. Got police boat. Here we are in Cardiff Bay, where I'm going to finish this video because I'm tired. And I'm going to be meeting a friend soon. Right, so I got 13% battery left on this because I've just been hounding it all day. But before we finish this video, I found this little squirrel on the train when I was heading down from Ebbw Vale. And it says to take it as far as you can and then to share the pictures with the scout group from Cwm, which is up in Ebbw Vale. So next week I will be going to one of the Spanish islands. You've heard it right, I'm going to one of the Spanish islands next week for 2 days. So I've taken this on the fishing trip with me, but I'm also going to take it to Spain with me, and then I'll take it back to Liverpool with me. So I'm pretty sure the scouts are going to find it absolutely fantastic that this squirrel can potentially travel 1,000 miles in the next 10 days or so, which is going to be awesome. Anyway, regarding the fishing trip, it was absolutely fantastic. Loved it. I'm going to put all the information down below if you want to check out escape charters from Penarth Marina in Cardiff, or the Vale of Glamorgan rather. And yeah, I'm absolutely knackered now, so I got a friend meeting me soon here in Cardiff Bay. I'm going to have an hour here, and then we're going to head back up the Newport Valleys. So this is probably going to be a Wednesday video, because the abroad stuff goes up on Saturdays, doesn't it? So this little guy is going to be in one of the Spanish islands with me on a Saturday video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll put as much information down below. I know not all of you like fishing, but it was a wicked boat trip regardless. And I'll see you next time, so peace and love.